Some days are better than others. This day started out pretty good. Alex made uova in carrozza. That's early 1930s Newark Italian for eggs in carriage. Besides ordering materials and searching for new innovative products, I spent the week vinyl wrapping wall panels. Very tedious, very time-consuming. Once the panels are cut and fitted, I glue one more layer of insulation foam to the backside. Then the sanding begins. All the edges must be rounded over so the vinyl wraps properly. Why not use a router, you say? I tried. Even with a brand new $75 bit, it splintered the 1/4-inch plywood. So hand sanding was my solution. Once I have the vinyl glued to the boards, I move around the perimeter, slicing where I think the material needs guidance. The curves need a series of pie-shaped cuts in order to wrap tightly. The trick is to start the cut as far away from the edge as the board is thick. Then, when you wrap, the cuts are on the back side of the board. Besides a good sharp utility blade, the key components to wrapping vinyl are a pneumatic stapler and a heat gun. The heat gun is a valuable tool in making this job look good. It softens the vinyl enough that it easily stretches, and it shrinks back nice and tight when it cools. No worries. If the contact glue dries before you get to it, the heat gun reactivates it. It's like putting a pat of butter on hot toast. Curves in the board are one thing, but corners are a beast to get through. I've settled on a technique that works for me. I heat it up, roll the edges, and lay it down. The key is to minimize as much layering of the material as possible all along the way. The staple placement is deliberate. Then I cut away the excess material. Alex, of course, continues to raise the bar in terms of workmanship in Humble Road vans. This week, it is a beautiful set of storage drawers under the futon. The walnut drawer faces have to wait until we receive a few extra parts from Blum. Design cues in 01 have once again taken on an Art Deco flair in the form of a handmade solid walnut grille beneath the refrigerator. I did not want to distract Alex while he was making these somewhat dangerous cuts, so I will explain what he did in this recreation. To begin the cut, he raises the spinning blade up through the wood from the bottom, a reverse plunge cut, if you will. Then pushes the wood through to a predetermined stopping point. To get the desired width, these grill cuts required 2 passes each. Oh, and that panel is designed to be removable. There are mechanicals under there that you may need to service from time to time. Easy peasy.